everybody. Look at that, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, but it isn't here. It's only like 10 in the morning. To finish our Colonial series, I wanted to do the install for you guys. Now remember the other day we built this in the shop. Of course, we used a different house that had the dark bronze windows to show you how to measure. And I love that because I knew it would stand out very much in the camera so that there would be no question. Now I love this Colonial because there's only one bar that's up and down, and of course 1, 2, 3 that are horizontal. And that's your finished look. And of course you saw me build this on video number 4. So as you can see, I mean, just amazing. And remember we talked about that overlay, easy to do it yourself. I mean, the beauty is just so fantastic. Of course, I'm getting ready to throw up the second here for this house. But guys, that was our Colonial Grid series. Now, I was requested by a lot of you the sunburst pattern in the half moon arches. Well, I think I'm gonna get lucky later today. I'm gonna go to the beautiful League City to measure a house here in just a little bit. And I believe they had arches, and if they do, I'm gonna video how to measure the sunbursts. And so we'll create that arch series for the Colonial Grid by demand. My Lord, I mean, there must have been 50 of you. And I appreciate all of you guys. This is what I'm here for. Thank you so much. But this is our install, and this is how gorgeous this looks. And I'm gonna back off. Oh my gosh, you see how empty that window is, and then just how beautiful that is. And folks, never ever forget, I am 100% American, and I love that. So I use the Screenco aluminum 1-inch rigid, beautiful mitered corners. I use the Twitchell material. This one here in particular is the 80% black. They wanted to keep the natural light while eliminating the sun's heat, UVs, bugs. Oh yeah, but they didn't want to lose the light, and I understand because this house didn't have a whole lot of windows, less than a dozen if memory serves me right. But that's it, guys. Colonial Grid. Continue to send us your questions, your thoughts, your ideas. If you don't like the way I'm doing something, let me know. I don't mind. I love good criticism. While you're here, like us, subscribe to us, pass this on to your neighbor. Hey, why don't you grab this link and share it on all your social media? Because I am a sucker for some good questions in this industry. You guys be blessed. Thank you.